Welcome to the online viewing for number 73 Glen. This property benefits from a good size corner position and has no onward chain. And then moving into the property, and we've got the hallway here with some fitted storage cupboards and stairs going up to the first floor. And we come around to the first reception room. Nice spacious property. This room has sliding doors going through to the second reception room. And from here we have windows to the rear and side overlooking the garden area. And then we can move through to the kitchen. We also have an under stairs storage pantry just on the right hand side. And then we can come back through to the third reception room. So the extended part of the property to the side. Lovely room, again overlooking the gardens and having double doors going to outside as well. There's also the lean-to area at the side, which then leads on to the garage, where we have double doors going back to outside. This door here leading through to the garden. And then moving on to the first floor, where we have the landing here, leading to the 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. First bedroom here, which faces towards the front of the house. And then we also have bedroom 3 here at the front of the property. And then coming around to bedroom 2. Fitted wardrobe in this room, and then overlooking the rear garden. And straight across we have the separate WC, and then into the bathroom. Okay, then moving outside, and this property benefits from an extensive corner plot position. We also have the area here to the rear of the property. And then just looking back at the property, that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.